Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Alexander, marketing agency and 7-figure e-commerce store owner. Today we are diving into the ultimate Google Shopping ads tutorial for beginners. In less than 10 minutes you will go from beginner to expert. What are Google Shopping ads? These are those eye-catching ads you see at the top of Google when you search for products. They are packed with images, prices and product details, making them a shopper's best friend. To run these ads properly, you must create 3 accounts: Google Merchant, Google Analytics and Google Ads. In your Google Merchant account, you will need to upload your listing. This is done through a file you can generate via plugin or app on WooCommerce or Shopify. Before you upload that file, ensure your feed includes all the necessary attributes like title, description, price and image link. Also, don't forget to do SEO for your title and descriptions. Feel free to watch SEO lessons on my vlog. Links in the description. The more accurate your SEO for products, the better your ads will perform. Next is Google Analytics account that will help you track every user action on your website. So you must have a Google Analytics account connected to your store. It's very simple. You must place your Google Analytics measurement ID inside your WooCommerce here, or on Shopify you go to online store preferences and here you click set up Google Analytics and then you will be able to place your ID. And after you set Google Analytics ID, certain e-commerce events and KPIs are tracked automatically. After that, you must connect your Merchant Center to your Google Ads account. This step is crucial because it determines how your products appear in your ads. In your Merchant Center, go to Settings, then Linked Accounts and click Link Account. Enter your Google Customer ID and follow the prompts. Once linked, you're ready to create your first campaign, like I do here. In your Google Ads account, click New Campaign, select Sales, click Continue, then select Shopping, and here we need to select our Merchant account, which we connected previously. Then we need to select between Performance Max or Standard Shopping. I advise to go with Standard Shopping initially, then click Continue. Let's name our campaign All Collections. Here I advise to go with maximize clicks, and later we need to switch our bidding strategy or objective to maximize conversions. Let's go with 50 a day. Here we can leave low priority if you run only one single shopping campaign. If not, you have to switch to medium or high. Here I usually deselect search network. And here I target locations. You can target only one country or the city you live in, depends on your marketing strategy. And our first ad group, let's say we will name it All Collections. And then after our segmentation strategy, we will rename it and create campaign. Voila! Our first campaign is ready to go. Now let's talk about Google Ads optimization. You will need to tweak your campaigns continuously to see success and get confidence in your expertise. Here are my top tips and hacks. Number 1, pictures. Eye-catching images can attract more clicks, more conversions, a better impression of your brand. Here is an example. Here I don't see any model with dress, but here and here I have a model with dress, and this attracts more attention, and in my opinion, those are the ads that are going to perform better than these two, for example. Number 2, data analytics and performance tracking, which will help you make more informed decisions about your ad strategies. You can allocate your budget more effectively by tracking which ads performs best. Here are the KPIs I use to track my Google Shopping campaigns: cost per click, click-through rate, cost per add to cart, cost per checkout initiated, cost per purchase or customer acquisition cost, conversion rate and return on advertising spent. Number 3, segmentation, which I mentioned during the Google Ads setup process, is another powerful tool in your Google Ads arsenal. By segmenting your ads by categories and types of products, you can target your audience more precisely. Segmentation allows you to tailor your ads to specific audience groups, increasing relevance and engagement. By focusing your budget on high-performing segments or products, you can maximize your advertising return on investment. Here is how to do it. Go to your shopping campaign, create ad group, and then let's say you want to promote only best selling crosses in my case. I save it. Then I go to add subdivision. Here I go to items ID, and here I select all the crosses, for example. Continue to edit bits, save. Here we go. This is the ad group with only products that perform the best, for example. Number 4, finding Google Ads winners and losers. Identifying winners and losers in your Google Ads campaigns will help you to run successful ads and pause underperforming products, for example, ensuring better return on investment. And here is how I do it. If I see that a product has crazy customer acquisition cost or high cost per add to cart, I will exclude that product from the promotion like that. Analyzing winners and losers provides insights that can be used to improve future campaigns. Knowing that what works and doesn't helps you adjust your strategy for better outcomes. Remember, you will need to invest money to find these outcomes. However, the insights you gain are invaluable for refining your campaigns. Number 5, negative keywords. These keywords prevent your ads from being shown to people who are unlikely to convert, and preventing your ads from appearing in irrelevant searches saves budget for more pertinent clicks. Here is how it's done. You go to the keyword section, negative keywords, and you start typing free, cheap, and so on, and then you click save. There you have it. Those are the simple steps that will make you a Google Shopping Ads expert. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so keep experimenting and optimizing. Also, there is no expert with 100% success rate. Remember that a big percentage of businesses fail, and same with experts and Google Ads account they manage. Some projects will be profitable, others break even and unprofitable, so get used to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, comment below with the questions or topics you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy advertising!